guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Photoshop issue. If I open Photoshop, you can see the application has encountered at error 0x80070002. How to fix this issue? And guys, to fix this issue, the first what you're gonna do, right click on Photoshop, go to properties, to compatibility, click on register this program for reset and click on run this program as administrator. Okay, then just click on the compatible mode and set it to Windows 7. Fly. Okay, now just open the Photoshop and yeah, click on yes. And guys, if your Photoshop didn't open, then again go to properties and here just click on security and just allow security options here. And if it is already done and if your Photoshop didn't open, then what you gonna do, you're gonna troubleshoot your program. Okay, right click on Photoshop, click on troubleshoot compatibility, and yeah, it will detect your Photoshop issues. And guys, you just click on troubleshoot program and just click on this option, the program requires additional permissions, and just uncheck this one and yeah, just click on next and again open the program. And if it asks for click on yes, just click on that. And guys, if your program not open again, okay, you're gonna fix this issue. You're gonna remove your temporary files. Okay, to remove that, just search run, run, and open this and you type in temp and remove this all temp files, remove dot files, this all, just delete this file. And guys, if you file did not delete, just keep them. Again open run and yeah, just type in percent temp percent, yeah, click on enter. And yeah, here just delete these all files. You can select control button plus A, just hold them and shift plus delete and click on yes. And see some files may not delete, just click on this checkbox, click on skip. That's it. Do again. And now what you're gonna do, type refetch and click on enter. Sorry, refetch. Type in this, click on continue, and here just delete these files. Some files may not delete, just keep them. That's it. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna open your file manager and go to my computer, right click on local disk C, go to properties and click on disk cleanup, and you can see it will calculate dot files and just select all of these except downloads. Okay, just select these all, click on OK, delete. That's it. And deleting your temporary files. And guys, after this process completes, just restart your PC. After restarting, just open the program and yeah, click on yes. And guys, if your program didn't open, then just reinstall Photoshop and it will definitely work. Just delete the Photoshop and reinstall your Photoshop. Okay, because the files has corrupted, means your files is removed or deleted, so you're gonna download Photoshop again easily from your Google Chrome. Just download, or if you don't know how to download, search in YouTube. And yeah, I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.